Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you guys how to fix your beginning balance if you recently just joined QuickBooks. Okay, so let's say you've had your bank account since 2022, but let's say you want the data only starting from 2024 until today. Because we're not going to be reconciled since the very beginning, right? We're going to have to fix the beginning balance as of 2024. Okay, so you're going to want to get your bank statement for when you want to start. So for my situation, I'm going to want to start since 2024. I'm going to look at this beginning balance right here, right? It's 47,465.01. But if I go on QuickBooks, you're going to notice that that beginning balance is not the 47,000 we need it to be. So to fix that, go to chart of account and then look for your bank account. Then scroll all the way to the right and then click on view register. Okay, now that we're in the bank register, right, we're going to want to scroll all the way to the right side. And then you see this little check mark, click on the check mark and then click it one more time. Okay, this is really important right here. You should see now this transaction right here with the R. Basically, this transaction here that we're looking at, this is a made-up transaction that was made by the system for when you connected your QuickBooks onto your bank account. But a lot of times, the system gets the number just flat out wrong, like it is in our case right here. Now, going back to this bank statement right here, right, I just found a random one on the internet, right? What we really want it to be is that 47,000, so that way we can start reconciling, right? You're going to go back on the transaction and change the number to that $47,000 amount, like so, and then we're going to press save right here. Now that we were able to fix that, go to reconcile. And then now look, the beginning balance is fixed now as of the beginning of 2024. So now that way I can start doing my reconciliation. And then going back to the bank statement, it looks like the ending balance was 53,000. So we're going to put that number in. And then we're going to put the statement ending date. So in our case, this one's going to be January 31st. And then you would put the same thing here. And now your final step is that you just start reconciling. If you're looking for someone to do your bookkeeping, feel free to hit us up at householdbookkeeping.com.